How to get started with blogging as a side hustle. Blogging makes for a great side hustle, and there is good potential to earn real money if you do it right. If you want to know how to get started, then stay tuned to this presentation. Blogging probably sounds like a glamorous side hustle for some. They think of bloggers who earn thousands of dollars every single month, and they think replicating that kind of success is easy. But is it really? Well, the truth is, blogging isn't that simple. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. In most cases, you only see the results of your hard work after several months. This means that if you want to earn money right now, then blogging isn't the right side hustle for you. If you want to have cold hard cash in a week or month's time, then you may want to look elsewhere. To generate money from blogging, you need to publish high-quality content consistently. You need to have a good number of followers who will help get the word out about your blog and your awesome content. While you don't necessarily need to have technical know-how, it's best to be hands-on with all facets of your blog. This is because, in addition to writing content, it's also highly advisable to be knowledgeable about SEO or search engine optimization. You should also have an idea of how to best design your blog so it looks appealing to your readers. If you have a crappy-looking blog, then it probably won't matter how awesome your content is. Also, when it comes to monetizing your website, there are plenty of different options to consider. The easiest one is affiliate marketing. You simply write a post and then insert links to products you are affiliated with. Every time someone clicks on those links and makes a purchase, you get a commission. Alternatively, you can also set up ads on your site. Google AdSense is probably the most popular, but they have pretty strict requirements, so you may want to look elsewhere if your site is still relatively new. When it comes to blogging, the possibilities are literally endless. You can promote your content on social media and gain followers there. Once your blog starts ranking on Google, you can pretty much earn passive income each and every month.